So, OpenAI's DevDay 2025 just happened, and all the headlines are screaming about developer tools. But here's the secret. The real winners of these events are us, the marketers. After years in this industry, my job is to cut through the technical jargon and find the actual money-making opportunities. And let me tell you, these 5 new opportunities are conversion machines. So today, we are not looking at a single line of code. Instead, I'm going to give you a practical playbook for the 5 biggest announcements, from new ChatGPT apps to the Sora 2 video API, and show you exactly how to use them to grow your business starting right now. Ready? Let's get into it. And I know my views and subscribers aren't a ton, but promise you to deliver the best I can. Thank you. So, first up, and this one's a game changer, apps inside ChatGPT. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is no longer just a chatbot. It's becoming your most interactive, responsive landing page that can actually talk back. Imagine a customer can now plan a trip on Expedia, design a graphic in Canva, or find a home on Zillow without ever leaving the chat window. The friction of opening a new tab is just gone. So, what's the play here for us? It's simple. You build a lightweight, helpful app inside ChatGPT, a personalized course recommender, for example, if you're in edtech, or a room designer if you sell furniture. You let the user play, get value, and then here's the kicker. You get the final high-value output behind the simple email opt-in. Boom! You've just captured the lead inside a platform they already trust, while the AI can effortlessly upsell other services. This isn't just a new feature. For many of us, it's the new homepage. Number 2 is AgentKit, and this is where it gets really exciting for anyone who's ever managed a team. Forget waiting months for developers. AgentKit is a visual, drag-and-drop tool that lets you build and connect a whole team of AI agents. When I was growing my content team from 2 to 12 people, so much of our time was spent on manual coordination. With this, I could have built an AI dream team. Imagine one AI agent acts as the prospector, pulling audience data from your ads. Another is the copywriter, spinning out 50 ad hooks based on that data. A third is the analyst, monitoring campaign performance and killing what's not working every single hour. Early reports are saying this leads to 70% faster iteration cycles. That's not just a small improvement, that's a fundamental change in your marketing velocity. It's about supercharging your ability to test, learn, and win. Now, I know my channel is new and I really appreciate you being here. A promise is to always pack these videos with real-world, in-the-trenches advice. The best way you can support the channel and help it grow is to subscribe and drop a comment to let me know which of these features you're most excited about. Feature 3 is a budget holder's ring. Yes, GPT-5 Pro is here and it's incredibly powerful. But the real headline for marketers is the new mini models. We're talking about an image generation model that's 80% cheaper and the voice model that's 70% cheaper. Do the math on that for a second. You can now generate thousands of unique product mockups or personalized podcast intros for what used to cost you a single expensive photo shoot. As a manager, this is huge. It means you can run hyper-tailored ad campaigns with unique creatives for every single audience segment without your CFO having a heart attack. Fourth on our list, the Sora 2 video API. This is where my own story comes full circle. I remember having to convince my CEO to invest in video by shooting a rough clip myself on a phone. Now, with the text-to-video API, you can spin up hundreds of high-quality 15-second video variants for every persona without needing a crew, a camera, or a studio. You can hook it up to your website data so that a user browsing mountain bikes gets a dynamic downhill video ad served to them instantly. It's personalized, it's scalable, and it's going to completely change the game for video marketing. And finally, number 5, Codex got a major upgrade. This is the ultimate productivity hack for marketers who feel stuck waiting for the engineering team. With the new Slack integration, we can literally just type /generate weekly sales report, and an AI agent will pull the data, write a summary, and drop it right into the channel. This isn't just for developers anymore, it's for marketers who want to automate competitor research, build small internal tools, or spin up a landing page without ever having to file a Jira ticket. It's about reclaiming your time from tedious tasks so you can focus on a strategy. So, to recap, apps inside ChatGPT turn conversations into conversions. AgentKit lets you build an AI marketing team in hours. The cheaper mini models slash your creative costs. The Sora 2 API makes personalized videos scalable. And Codex enhancement get you out of the developer queue. These 5 features together represent a fundamental shift in how we can operate as marketers. I hope this breakdown was valuable and gave you some actionable ideas. If it did, please give this video a like and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.